Exercise 11, brush masking. Masking is another form of selecting, like we did with our lasso tools, marquee tools, but now we're going to use the brush. But to activate the masking, right at the bottom of the menu, here we have our Edit in Quick Mask Mode, shortcut key Q. We click on that. We now select our brush. We can choose any brush we like. So we open up our brush palette, and we want something rather large. And I'll choose something like this over here. But don't forget, you can go to the little arrow key, and you can go down and look for special different brushes that you can just simply you click on it and you say replace. Now you don't want to replace it, you just append it to, and it'll bring the brushes into your palette. So we're going to look for something we want to use. Let's just choose this one over here. Size, I want to go quite large, so I'm going to take it up to about 100 pixels, if not more. There we go. If you just click in the ruler, it hides it. Now you'll notice when we brush, we click and we drag. Now we don't want the whole car in, so we're going to start somewhere around here. We'll click and we'll drag. And by clicking and dragging away, we create a little bit of an effect at the base of it. We want a bit of tar in here. We want the whole car in. And all we're doing is everything that we paint in red is what we're selecting. So you see I've got a bit of a brush effect by just clicking and dragging the bottom here. A little bit of a pattern almost. And our whole car should be coloured in because we want the whole vehicle. When we finish brushing our selection, we simply click on the brush mask button at the bottom, and this gives us our selection. You can see we've missed a little piece here and there. We won't worry too much about that now, but also what we've got is we've got the outline. So obviously we're going to go to select and inverse our selection, so we only get the vehicle. Now I can quickly go through to any one of my other tools. Let's just take a lasso tool, and over here we can say add to selection, and we can simply draw around these little pieces we've left out, join up again, and it'll add it into the selection. You see how that works? Click from the outside, go, and we'll add to selection. We can also subtract from selection, so I don't want so much of that other vehicle there, so I can draw a fancy squiggle pattern if I want to, come round, and it's gone. Now we simply Control J, and that is our selection now. Go one layer down, add a new layer. White is background, and the shortcut for that would be Control Backspace, and we put white there. And there's our brush masking tool. Try it, play with it, use it. It's a very powerful tool, and you can work very carefully and accurately with it as well by choosing a solid brush. If you want a more feathered effect, then you just soften your brush up. Thank you.